Hi everyone and welcome back to It's the Little Things with Becky. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. And I got a package. So the page that I follow on Facebook was doing a challenge. And it was an ice cream challenge. You guys haven't checked that video out yet, go check that out. And another lady actually won, but she said that I could have her prize, which was very, very nice of her. And I do appreciate that, so if you are happy to be watching, thank you, thank you. And yeah, so let's see what I got. I love getting packages. I'm trying not to show you guys like my address here, but I love this packaging, it's so cute. But yeah, she won and she donated her prize to me. She said I could have it. Okay. Alright, so I try not to flash you guys my address. Tarte wrapping paper. We like Tarte. Woo. Oh. Okay. So first thing that kind of popped at me was this very cute donut pin. That is cute. Look how cute it is. That's going to come in handy. We like that. And another thing I'm seeing here is Lights, Camera, Lashes from Tarte 4-in-1 mascara. It's cute. It's a baby. Like travel size. Fun. And then we have a Sugar Rush Cake Butter Whipped Body Butter. Ooh. That's what she looks like. Let's smell her. Of course, you gotta take off this little piece here, but that's alright. Just put a little bit right here. And so she's coming out. Mmm. Alright, that smells amazing. Mmm. We love that. It smells like a bakery. Mmm. Cool. Alright, there's more. Oh, this is cute. Smile more, worry less. I like that. It's a little notebook. So it, like, you can put down all my thoughts and video ideas and doodle and stuff. I like that so much. This is much appreciated. Like, surprisingly, like, I'm one of those people that like to, like, write down my ideas, or if I have, like, a list or something, more than I do my phone for some reason. So that's cool. And then we got this. Is there stuff in here? I think there is. We got this little bag, which is adorable. I like it a lot. But is there stuff in there, or is it just a stuffing? I'm not sure. Nope, it's just the inner packaging. That's okay. But cute. We'll throw that down here. But there's a little bag. I like that a lot. Fun. Cool. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I do appreciate it. Sorry, I'm like checking all the pockets. I love pockets. Like, there's an inside pocket here, and that is so cool. Neat. I love purses like these that I can just sling over my shoulder and have just kind of like hanging on my arm, or crossbody arm, rather than just like hanging there, sliding all over the place. I like that a lot. Well, cool. That was exciting. That was fun. This is a short video. I'm sorry, guys. But, let me just check out this mascara here real quick because I am curious. I mean, I already have mascara on, so I can't, like, put it on, but I do want to just look at it. Oh, that didn't help. You know that piece of protective plastic that they put around it? And then you try to break it off and it breaks off halfway? That's where we're at right now. I will get you open. Aha! Oh, halfway. I just love how little this is. It's cute. Fun size. You can like throw that in your purse and away you go. Aha! I'm getting it. Alright. So this is by Tarte. Sorry guys, you're getting a lot of natural lighting right now. Oh, look at the little wand. Look how cute that is. That is like a fishit though. Like, wow. I like the little sound effects. I do. That is cool. Well, thank you so much if you're watching. Yeah, I do appreciate it. Cool. So I can't wait till I try it all out. Anyways, guys, that is it for today. If you're interested, make sure you like the video, and then if you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button by hitting the bell over there, and I do appreciate it. I love you guys so much. I am in such a good mood. Anyways, I hope you guys are all safe and well, and I will see you guys very soon with another new video. Bye.